Look at what kind of variety is this. In this you will get this kind of round align cut kurti. Look at the L size of our Farma. This is the L size. Look, DK nobody will give you double XL in this, but DK Textile will give you L size like this, because you can look at the chest is original, the broad length is also original. And so hello friends, welcome to DK Textile. So there is one good news for my Telugu customer. DK Textile has launched Telugu channel. So link is in the description, so don't forget to subscribe our Telugu channel, so you will get regular update on different varieties on Telugu language. So coming to the variety, so DK Textile today has launched this kind of variety. Look at this variety. What is this variety? So this is two-piece variety in vertical silk and the price is only 650 rupees. Yeah, you have heard it right, my friend. Look at the design. This is original mirror work design, and look at the finishing. I am opening one piece. Look at what kind of variety is this. In this you will get this kind of round align cut kurti with this kind of beautiful mirror work neck with full sleeve, and you will get both two-sided pocket, and in pocket also there is a mirror work, as you can see. And look at the beautiful designs and color. The neck is full neck work. The length of the neck work is 30, so there is the length of 30 centimeter, and the full length of this A-line cut is 44. So there is original length A-line cut kurti. In the bottom you will get this kind of plazo. Look at the beautiful plazo, my friend. Look at the size. In regular market you can't get this kind of sizes in surplus size, but DK Textile will give you this kind of bigger sizes in M to XXL. So you can see there are some colors are near me, like it is 9 color are around, but you will get different color and design on the same variety. So whenever you want to start your business, or you are doing or your own business, and you want to purchase this kind of variety bundle to bundle set wise, then DK Textile will be the best place for you, because we give regular update on this kind of party wear and ethnic wear variety. So if you want to purchase, then this kind of bundle to bundle purchasing are available. No single pieces or retail are given in DK Textile. We only deal in bulk. So look at the color and design, how beautiful its signing look like. So you also want to join with the biggest manufacturer who deal in only wholesale and give you the cheapest rate as compared to regular market. So DK Textile will be the best place for you, because look at the L size of our Farma. This is the L size. Look, DK nobody will give you double XL in this, but DK Textile will give you L size like this, because you can look at the chest is original, the broad length is also original, and this is real mirror work. You can look from the signing like what kind of variety is this, and it is original full length sleeve, and inside that you will get this kind of lining. So this is pure lining variety. You can purchase this variety from DK Textile. Our number is given on the screen. You can connect with salesman and get regular this kind of many more variety updates, and you can purchase also from home. Also you can visit Surat. Definitely you can visit Surat, because our shop is located at only 1 kilometer from the Surat railway station. So you must visit, so you can see many more variety from our store. As you can see, there are many more variety. We are the biggest factory outlet, and look at the simple design and best fabric things. Look at the varieties. So if you also want to purchase this kind of variety, then DK Textile will be the best place. So don't forget to subscribe our English channel. And for my Telugu customer, our Telugu channel was also launched, so you can see this kind of variety updates in Telugu also. So subscribe our Telugu channel, link is in the description, and look at the varieties, my friend. So if you want to purchase, then connect with DK Textile, connect with the biggest manufacturer to get cheapest rate for your shop. Minimum order is 10,000, and the friend who are watching from outside of India, they will get this variety at their own location, because we ship worldwide and COD is also available.